Welcome back to Master Your Glass with me, Livio Laro. Today we are going to make two French-based wine cocktails that are very close relatives, the Kir and the Kir Royale. So the story goes that Sir Canon Félix Kir, who was a World War II hero and also the mayor of the Burgundian city of Dijon, actually created this drink in the mid-1900s by mixing the local Aligoté wine, which is high in acid, fresh, with crème de cassis. Thus, the balance between the two made an amazing cocktail. Let's go ahead and make it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chill the glass by just adding some nice ice inside. We want the drink to be cold. We want all the ingredients to be cold, including the glassware itself. Okay, now that we have that one iced, we're going to go ahead and ice our champagne glass as well. This one is going to be for the Kir Royale instead. So now I am going to promote the chilling of the glass by just giving the ice a little stir inside both of the glasses. That way we can keep this drink cold. All right, let those sit right there. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to dump this ice right here out. The story goes that Leger was the first crème de cassis, or the original one that was used for this cocktail. So I'm going to go ahead and use it, and I'm going to pour in 3/4 of an ounce, or 45 mils. And again, all ingredients need to be very cold. Then I'm going to top it up with 4 ounces, or 120 mils, of white Aligoté Burgundian wine. This wine is high in acid and very dry, bone dry, and will actually do very well. There you go, right about there. Simple and easy. I'm going to give these ingredients a little stir. Okay. Now the drink is actually finished. This is how they serve it. I am going to garnish it, and again, this is simply to make the drink look a little better. What I'm going to do is I'm going to basically take just one little raspberry and put it inside. It is not called for originally in the drink, but I'm just putting it in to give it a touch of pizzazz. And I mean a touch. These cocktails are intended to be simple, so we won't be feathering a pineapple on top of it. It is a simple drink made for simple occasions, and I'm just popping in a simple garnish. And there we have the Kir cocktail. Okay, so now that our Kir is ready, we're gonna go ahead and make the Kir Royale. First we're gonna do is dump this ice. Glass is nice and chilled. Once again, we're gonna go for the same 3/4 of an ounce, or 45 mils of crème de cassis. And we're going to top that up with 4 ounces of very cold champagne. Now, needless to say, French cocktail, French champagne. Okay. And there's that. Now we're going to give these ingredients a nice little stir. Just like that, incorporate them together. We've got some bubbles flowing, we've got a nice little drink. And this one here, once again, no garnish required. I'm just gonna plop a little blackberry inside for the same reasons I explained earlier. Okay, there we have it, the Kir and the Kir Royale, and I'm about ready to try them. So delicious, because you really do get that very high acid wine that is being balanced with a very thick, syrupy yet delicious crème de cassis. And let's compare to this one right here. How are you, sunshine? Just a different sensation on this one, because the bubbles are actually giving my palate a little bit of a break. So this one here is even higher in acid and even a little bit more light. Amazing, amazing cocktails. Now, throughout the years, there have been many variations of the Kir cocktail, and it has evolved into becoming a family of drinks. The most notable ones are the Kir Cardinal, which is actually made with a red wine. In this case, I have a Burgundy, but any red wine, to replace the white wine that goes in the Kir cocktail. And another awesome example is the Kir Imperial, which instead is a variation to the Kir Royale. And what it does is it replaces raspberry liqueur to the crème de cassis. Now please click like and subscribe, and make sure to tune back in to Master Your Glass with me, Livio Laro, where you get expert instruction for everyday consumption.